7/28/2020, end of the 4-month bull run on that S&P. The reason why I want to show it on the monthly level is that we could not break above my target. And that was 32. Everybody already knows that, 32.87, and we didn't. And we cannot take out the top with increased volume because we have not. The other thing that we're looking at and monitoring very carefully is the weekly sell signal is -3 only. We were -32 back over here in the crisis, and we've improved, and we have, but that is on the monthly level. And I'm sorry, yes, it is on the monthly level, and it's only -3. It hasn't had a monthly buy signal for a while. And so I can say, by saying that we do have support on the monthly chart, and that's going to be the 10-month moving average. And yes, it will. So we'll be looking for these lines right here, and we'll see how we hold if we come down to the 3,000 on it. And if we do break down, not if, we're going to, I believe, because we can't take out the highs. When we go to the weekly chart, this is the previous week high, and that is where we hit the high and we sold down. Now, at that point in time, we were having a narrow range week. There was no real commitment, and we had the dip buyers come in here, and that was ascending and going up. But we have a problem right now, and we'll figure out. I will say to you one thing about the S&P 500. If we do not break above the upper trend line and we start to break down, our support level is going to be right around 31.45 on the S&P. When we start getting into the weekly moving averages, the 10-week moving averages down there. So once again, I'm going to conclude it with the daily, and we do have that daily sell signal that we're going to be monitoring. It just started, and it started today. So today we have that. So we're going to look to see if there's any follow through. There's going to be a lot of volatility, and there is. So we'll be having our eyes out. The problem is when this gap down started here, and we couldn't take this up day, could not run up to that trend line, and it didn't. And then today, you could see that the high was, again, only 32.43, which is that 32.50 mark, has a big land. That's this number right up here. So we're really watching that number. We couldn't get up there, and then we had some minor selling throughout the day, and it was enough to cause the daily sell signal on the S&P 500. Be aware, higher volatility is coming, believe me.